Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 101 Tips for Writing Attention-Getting Headlines. 1. How to. And how to. Headline grabs your prospects' attention because it tells their brain they are about to learn something new that could benefit their lifestyle. The headline should get their attention and explain how to get their benefit faster, cheaper, easier, etc. Example: how to get out of debt in 1 year or less. 2. Unlock. And unlock. Headline grabs your prospects' attention because when something is locked up, it's perceived as being more valuable. Your product would of course be the key that will unlock the benefit for them. Example: unlock the secrets of selling high-ticket items. 3. Discover. A discover. Headline grabs your prospects' attention because it gives your prospects a sense of adventure. It's just like in a story when someone discovers a treasure chest or a lost artifact. Example: discover 3 simple ways to reduce your unwanted wrinkles. 4. Exposed. C. An exposed headline grabs your prospects' attention because it sounds as if somebody was trying to hide something. Your prospects will want to know what was being covered up and why. Example: used car dealer sales tricks exposed. 5. Explained. Example: Richard and Paula Wing's IM Curator 101 Tips for Writing Attention-Getting Headlines. An explained headline grabs your prospects' attention because it will give them a clear picture of a benefit they may not understand how to get. If there is something you don't understand and it could benefit you, wouldn't you want it explained? Example: top search engine optimization strategies explained. 6. Breaking news. A breaking news headline grabs your prospects' attention because breaking news usually happens when it's really important and can't wait until the normal news show time. It's usually something major like severe weather, a terrorist attack, war footage, etc. It makes people stop what they're doing and take notice. Example: breaking news. Scientist finds breakthrough weight loss formula. 7. Inside secrets. An inside secrets headline grabs your prospects' attention because your prospects will feel that if they learn more information they'll belong to a select, privileged group of people. It also adds a rareness to your product. Rare as valuable. Example: the inside secrets of millionaires under the age of 29. Click link below to learn more. Read more and get paid to write at press.kokoshungsan.net. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net